Hello student of class 12. This video is for the chapter probability, third exercise, random variable and its distribution. Let S be a sample space of a random experiment E. A real function x defined on the sample space S is called a random variable. The set of real values of x is called the spectrum. A random variable is discrete or continuous according as its spectrum discrete or continuous. That is, a discrete random variable assumes a finite number or countably infinite number of values, whereas a continuous random variable assumes an uncountably infinite number of values. This is the difference between discrete and continuous variable. In discrete random variable, a finite number or countably infinite number of values, whereas in a continuous random variable, uncountably infinite number of values occurs. The mathematical function f(x) is called the probability distribution or frequency function or probability mass function of the discrete random variable x. By definition, f(x) represents the probability that x takes up the values f(x). f(x) must follow the two conditions. One condition is f(x) greater than equal to 0 and second condition is summation f(x) equal to 1, that is f(x1) plus f(x2) plus dash 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 plus f(xn) equal to 1, where x assumes the values x1, x2 dash 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 xn. Till now, I have told about the basic concept of this chapter. Now, I will do some examples, and after explanation of the example, I think all things will be cleared to you. First example is, let S denotes the sample space in the random experiment of tossing two fair coins. Okay. Then we have sample space 2H, HT, ATH or TT. Find the probability distribution. Okay. Solution. We have f(x) equal to, for the probability distribution, we have two conditions. If f(x) greater than equal to 0 and f(x) summation of f(x) equal to 1. Where is f(x)? Where is p? I will know now. f(x) equal to p, x equal to 0, that means probability of getting no head, that means probability of TT, that is 1 by 4. 1 is the favorable outcome and 4 is the total outcome. When f(x) equal to p, x equal to 1, then the probability of getting one head, that means probability of HT or TH, this is equal to 2 by 4. So, this is equal to 1 by 2, and when f(x) equal to px, P x equal to 2, probability of getting 2 heads, that is PH is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. I have told already x1, x2, capital X equal to x1, x2, x3, that is just xn. This is x1, this is x2, this is x3, etc. Now I am seeing summation of fx, that is probability x equal to 0 plus probability x equal to 1 plus probability x equal to 2 equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus half, that is equal to 1. So second condition is satisfied, and here fx always greater than equal to 0. So two conditions are satisfied for probability distribution. Now I will represent it in the box form. There is the probability distribution of x is, it is the required question, the probability the probability distribution of x is, you write it in the box form. X P, that is fx, x equal to 0, 1, 2. Okay, and this is total. When 0, fx equal to, that means p equal to fx equal to 1 by 2. যখন when x equal to 1, then p equal to half, and then x equal to 2, this is equal to 4, this is equal to 1. It is the tabulation form of probability distribution function. Okay, I am ending here.